Funny you should ask.
Let's take a look at what real laundromat customers are saying about their experience using Freedom by IPS. First time customer, what do you think?
This is awesome. It's a lot more convenient.
The new location is great. It's convenient to where I stay, and the owners are great guys. Help me with my bags. Hey.
Tell us about the double your money promotion.
Oh my goodness. I came in here unexpectedly, got paid $30 to wash, got $60. Like, that's gonna last me for the rest of the month. Like, it's amazing.
I've been coming to the wash house for a long time. Well, it was before it was the wash house, but now I like it. It's so much bigger, better, and I don't have to use quarters. I like the card thing. And as you can see, yes, I have a lot of laundry, and I come here all the time. It's so much better now. I like it.
Yeah. What's the most convenient thing about
The card, I don't have to
Okay.
use quarters. I
Yeah.
love that, because I would sit there, and then the quarters would come back out, and put them back in and come back out. So it wouldn't take them, but that's the most convenient. And plus, there's more.
You like the big machine?
Oh yes,
Yep.
there was only 4 of those before, and now they didn't even 2 of them didn't work.
Yeah.
So you had to guess at it, you had to wait on somebody. It's so much more convenient.
Yeah. Wonderful.
And I love the location, it's good too.
Yeah, it is. It's a great location.
Yeah, it's usually not a whole, yeah, it is. And even if it's packed, there's so much more room.
That's great. Thank you.
So yeah,
Thank
I like
you for
it.
your feedback.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
Everybody, so we've got LaToya and John, customers here in Raleigh. Tell us what you think of our new system.
We like it. It's much better. Much better.
So what do you like about it?
Get over here. It's quicker, easier. You don't have to have money. Tap the card and that's it.
What do you think, John?
Same thing that she said. I back up on that one. I like it.
And you've been to other laundromats, you said?
We have.
And you like the system over the old quarters?
We do, yeah.
What do you think about the double your money promotion?
We appreciate that. We do.
Good deal. And where are you at?
We are the Wash House on Martin Luther King Boulevard.
You're right. This is pretty cool now. Didn't you say it was cool?
Yes, it was cool.
He says he likes it a lot. We're doubling your money. Yadkin Road.